Okay.
Hey, Dr. J coming at you again here from the beautiful Wachusett Reservoir, a little different section of it than one of the last videos we did. This is the old stone church, which is kind of a landmark here in West Boylston. You know, pancreatic cancer is deadly. We all know someone probably in our families or in our circle of friends who has been afflicted with pancreatic cancer and sadly has probably not survived it. Cordyceps mushroom is another hugely studied and utilized mushroom in traditional Chinese medicine. In fact, there are over 1,300 studies available from the National Library of Medicine. And this particular mushroom, Cordyceps, is infused in Organo's red tea, along with Ganoderma Lucidum, so it's sort of a double banger immune system supporter. So I just found a study from several months back, August 2018, in Oncogenesis Journal, entitled Cordyceps Induces Apoptosis in Human Pancreatic Cancer Cells. Essentially what these researchers wanted to study is whether this sort of mythically amazing mushroom actually had an ability healing from pancreatic cancer. One of the ways that cancer is approached is trying to find methods to induce cancer cells to actually break down and essentially kill themselves, kill their life cycles. It's called apoptosis of those cells. We won't go through the study procedures, but the conclusion is that Cordyceps inhibited the activity of pancreatic cancer both in vitro and in vivo, in other words, in the test tube in the lab and in human subjects, by regulating apoptosis-related protein expression through the mitochondrial pathway. In other words, this stuff amazingly helps the cell nucleus in its activity to break down cancer cells and kill them. Unbelievable. So another reason to take a look at these amazing healing properties of multitude of natural herbs that are available to us from nature and so conveniently deliverable through the delicious Organo products. So this is their red tea, and let's take a look at another study. Okay. So just to follow up on that, an interesting study from the International Journal of Molecular Science, October 4, 2018, entitled The Anti-Cancer Properties of Cordyceps and Their Underlying Mechanisms. This is another group of researchers that was interested in studying the anti-cancer properties of Cordyceps from the Cordyceps mushroom. From their abstract, the treatment of various cancer cells with Cordyceps effectively induces cell death and retards their cancerous properties. These folks wanted to shed light on the mechanisms of that, which they did. Gets a little bit too technical to even bother with. This is a second study here that upholds the sort of empirical evidence that Cordyceps mushrooms and Cordyceps can be a really effective cancer retardant. It wraps it up like this. This review provides the molecular mechanisms by which Cordyceps functions as a singular or combinational anti-cancer therapeutic agent. So again, folks, let's see if we can stay out of the world of the pharmaceuticals. Let's get healthy through nature. Nature provides us with all the tools we need for the most part. And if we want to get healthy, let's do it the natural way. Lifestyle, diet, Dr. J in Vibrant Health. Till the next video.